Okay, wait, guys. Wait. What are you saying about me?
I want to buy Mommy S25.
What are you saying about me? What are you and Daddy saying about me?
Look.
I want to buy Mommy S25.
No.
Why not?
She's still learning. Because you see, why? This phone has 50 zoom. She still has to learn about this zoom, you see.
So, but it's okay also.
To zoom very
so
close pictures.
So Mommy is still learning.
So now I can get myself S24.
Because you're done learning.
No, I will buy S24, but Mommy S25.
No.
Why not?
S24.
She's a madam. She's supposed to be higher.
No.
You're supposed to be higher, boss.
No. S23. S25. I'll tell that guy, ne?
S25.
Where I bought this phone from? S23.
Hey,
S23.
Yeah.
Why, babe?
It's nice.
But I want a better phone.
You'll have two of these. One and the other one.
So tell me something. Why did you follow me? Because I was supposed to be here alone.
You can't be alone. It's impossible.
Why did you follow me?
Because I want to.
You can't be alone.
Why?
You've been alone when you were still young. At the time when you didn't have kids. When you didn't have, you were not married. Now you are married. You've got kids. You can't be alone. Time for you being alone is over. Yeah.
Ma'am, why did you follow me?
Did he? When are you gonna buy me a new bike?
I go wherever you go.
Next week, right?
No, I don't.
But I wanted a me time.
December,
You
on your
go.
birthday.
I wanted to come here alone.
No, they can sit
On your
outside.
birthday, yeah.
On my birthday, you don't have to give me
Like I'm
anything.
not here.
No, I can't. No, I can't.
Love you.
Sorry.
Do you know if I came here alone, I was gonna save a lot of money.
Look, you don't have to give me anything.
You can
See you
convince me to do whatever. You can't do it.
So I must sit there as if I'm alone. So you want me to pretend like I came here alone while you are here?
Yeah, then it's gonna be easy, no problem. I came, you came, all that.
And do whatever you want. I won't do that until
No,
your
we can do it
birthday.
like that. It's easier. Just for this.
Love
You
you.
don't have to give me anything on my birthday.
Yeah. It's an easier way you must.
So when you saw me bathing, what did you do?
I ran to bath also.
You quickly ran to bath,
Yeah.
so I don't leave you. Love, you're not a baby. You're not a
But
baby.
it doesn't mean I want to go. So I bath so that I can go. And now I'm here.
If you're a baby, I can take you everywhere I go, but now you are old.
Yeah.
Why do you have to follow me everywhere I go?
I like going where you go. I like it. It's nice.
When I'm in here, what made you come here? You don't know? Did your sister tell you to follow me also? What happened? Manyar? When am I gonna get my me time?
You try you what?
My me time. I was supposed to be here alone.
You alone? That's my wife. Yeah, as my girlfriend, you can as if you are my girlfriend, yes, you can go anywhere, no problem, because I'm not attached to you. No problem. Me too, I can go anywhere because I'm not attached to you. But as a wife, as a husband, leaving my wife alone. Only men that knows that they can leave their wives to go. You know why?
Okay, my baby's calling. Have to attend to her. See you guys in our next video.
No, drop.
You should this on the car.
Drop.
This one is mine. Get your hands off.
Yeah, no, you can book
Get your hands off. Jake.
Okay.
Guys, can you see? Why they follow me?
He said he was full, Mama, remember? Did you look? He said he was full. Now he's busy like.
I'm not done. Eh? I was not done.
Home tea.
He's khaleling it.
I'm gonna try this.
And what did you get?
I got a smoothie.
That's why you wanted to go with me.
Yeah, can you back there?
I know when we go, I always get something, you know. So that's nice for me.
No, it's happening.
So what did you get?
So my wife, I bought this.
Look
My
at my
wife,
bag.
let me
Wait,
tell you something.
you busy sitting in
I said,
Look
only men
behind you.
that leaves their wives to go alone.
Yeah, you can do
You must know there is skeletons in between. It's either the men, the men have got Mapa pain. The men have got other girlfriends. You understand? Say, if a man leaves his wife to go alone to the shops or to the mall alone, you must know that man has got some skeletons.
Yeah.
It's either the man wants the wife to go, then after he's got his plans, he's gonna go meet up with someone else. But if you love your wife, you're never gonna allow your wife to go alone. You go together because we want to get married. You are one. Am I right?
So the time for me going alone is up.
Time for you going alone
Expired long time ago.
gone.
Okay.
That time when you were single, that time when you didn't have children, yes,
It expired.
expired, mama. You heard me, ne? Good. I'm glad you heard me. Thank you. Can I eat now? Can I eat now?
Yeah.
Good.